In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new list in Mailchimp. Whether you're just getting started with email marketing or you're a seasoned pro looking to streamline your audience management, knowing how to properly import and organize your contacts is absolutely essential. Mailchimp is a versatile platform, and setting up a new list, or as Mailchimp calls it, an audience, is one of the foundational steps to launching effective campaigns. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to import your contacts into Mailchimp, match their information correctly, and ensure everything is in place for your next email send. Let's dive right in. First things first, open Mailchimp in your browser and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. But today we're focusing on users who are already set up. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. From here, click on the Audience tab. This is the section where all your existing contacts and lists are stored, and it's where we'll be managing the new list today. After selecting the Audience tab, you'll be taken to the Audience dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your contacts. At the top right of this page, you'll see a button or drop-down menu labeled Manage Audience. Go ahead and click that. A list of options will appear, and from these you'll want to select Import Contacts. This is the gateway to adding your new list. Now, you'll need to choose your preferred import method. Mailchimp gives you several options here, depending on where your contacts are stored. If you're using services like Google Contacts or Salesforce, you can simply click the corresponding option and follow the prompts to connect your accounts. This is a great choice if your contacts are already organized in one of these services, and you want to keep the process as seamless as possible. If your contacts are stored in a spreadsheet, you'll want to select the Upload a File option. Make sure your spreadsheet is saved as a CSV file, as this is the format Mailchimp requires. Once it's ready, you can upload it directly from your computer. Alternatively, if you prefer to copy and paste your contacts manually, choose the Copy and Paste option. Here, you'll paste your contacts into the text box provided, including details like their email addresses, first names, and last names. After choosing your import method and uploading or entering your contacts, it's time to review the data. Mailchimp will automatically match the fields in your list, such as email addresses and names, with its own database fields. Take a moment to double-check that everything is aligned correctly. If something doesn't look right, you can manually adjust it before proceeding. This step is important to ensure your contact's information is accurate and properly categorized. Before continuing, you'll see an option to update existing contacts. If you tick this box, Mailchimp will update the information for any contacts already in your audience without creating duplicates. This is a handy feature if you're refreshing or expanding an existing list. Once you've reviewed and matched the fields, click Continue. Mailchimp will show you a summary of the import. This is your chance to catch any errors or discrepancies before finalizing the process. If everything looks good, you'll then need to select the status for your contacts. This tells Mailchimp how to treat the people on your list. If you're unsure about their opt-in status, choose Unsubscribed. If your contacts have agreed to receive your emails, select Subscribed. This step is crucial for ensuring compliance with email marketing regulations and avoiding unnecessary unsubscribes or complaints. Finally, click Finalize Import to complete the process. For larger lists, it might take a few moments for the import to finish. You can keep an eye on the progress, and once it's done, your new list will be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully added a new list in Mailchimp. With your contacts imported and organized, you're now ready to create campaigns and send out emails to engage with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.